Limbo! Pete, old chap, what have you brought with you today?
It's my own design Funfly,
Oh,
ready for the Nationals.
because I've seen you at the Nationals before, competing in the Funfly, one of many disciplines that happen at the Power Nationals.
You did.
So you have erected your Limbo, and this is it.
Yeah.
Could you just, for the viewers, I know you just took me through it, but the design features of this, because it's not what you'd expect.
Yeah, so it's kind of a combination of an American and an English design. The American is where the boom has come from.
So no, it's not a box fuselage, it's a...
No, so it's kind of, the boom goes all the way through and attaches to this main firewall here.
Yeah. So the idea being that it's super strong for what reason? The touch and goes, right?
Correct. Yeah. So this undercarriage here is super strong. It's really light as well, which is great. And you can really hit the floor hard, and it just won't break.
Yeah.
It's quite a nice feeling that it doesn't break.
So remind me, you do touch and goes. That's one of the competitions. You do limbo.
Yeah.
And what else?
There's climb and glide. So you climb for 20 seconds and you try and glide for as long as you can.
Yeah.
There's a triple thrash. So that's where you do 3 touch and goes, 3 rolls, 3 loops, and a final touch and go. And you do that in as quick as time as possible.
Right. Okay. So what it's testing is the true versatility of the model, right, for all of those different things.
Yeah, and the great thing about that, because this is my own design, there's a lot of other people who compete as well with their own designs, and it's really fascinating to see what people design. And see what works and what doesn't work.
So you've been improving this year on year, because you've been doing it a while, haven't you?
Yeah, so this is what I had last year. I'm probably going to be sticking with this year as well. But yeah, no, it's good, and there's quite a few different rounds as well. You have the mystery rounds as well.
Mystery?
Yeah.
Oh really? So they'll throw in something you won't know what it is?
So I think there's 4 or 5 different rounds that you can have, and at the beginning of the day someone picks what that round's going to be, and it's like folded up, so you can't see it, and then you do that round on the day. So it could be like bursting balloons. There's dead stick aerobatics.
Right.
Yeah, there's loads of things.
Adds to the challenge.
Oh, and there's blackjack as well, which is really good fun.
What's that?
So basically, as blackjack is, you've got to get up to 21 as quickly as you can, but in the square it's scored differently as it goes out. So the centre's 10, the next circle is 5, 3, 2,
Gotcha.
1. And then basically you touch the wheel on the number to get the number, and then you go all the way up until 21.
Okay, sounds a lot harder than iMac, which you used to do a few years ago.
It's different. It is different. I would say the iMac definitely improves your flying. The way you it puts you in uncomfortable situations which you don't really do. So, for example, in inverted flying, different snaps, and it's just very precise. So
all right,
it's good.
Right. Well, you're practicing limbo today.
I am. Yeah.
So, all right. Well, I'm going to watch you for a bit.
Okay.
See how you get on.
All right.
But I'm definitely coming up to the Power Nationals, so
yeah,
it'd be good to see everything. Good luck.
Thanks.
All right. always best to stand with the pilot. I've learnt this over many years of filming. That's insane. Oh, he's broken it. That's... what? I was expecting you to take like normal circuits and fly under it. Yeah, I didn't think I was going to keep you in frame the whole time. That is mad.
Yeah. So
that's normal?
So yeah, so that's what I try to do.
That's crazy. Crazy.
On a day, as you can see, you can probably cut the rope, but
and then that's it, game over.
So you have a wild card. So you have one wild card for the whole weekend.
Yeah. And
you can do any round again.
Right. Repeat it. Yeah.
Yeah, precisely. But luckily that was within the two minutes. So the limbo, touch and go, is timed up to 2 minutes. So you do as many as you can within the actual 2 minute time frame.
Wow.
So luckily that was within two minutes.
So if somebody were interested and wanted to get into this type of flying, then what's best for them to do?
So there's an official BMFA Funfly Association, which is new for this year.
Yeah.
There are a number of competitions. Nothing serious. It's very easy throughout the year, and you can get more details on the actual BMFA website. I just want to also add that there are different classes as well. So if you're brand new to it, you can go into a more novice class. It's a lot easier. The models don't have to be special. You can just go and buy a Cougar or a Jazz. One
of these out of the box,
exactly.
Buy it from a shop type things, not
yeah.
like you've done here. You've been doing it for years, so you've designed your own thing.
Yeah.
But you don't have to start off like that.
No, absolutely not. I mean, come and have a go. If you've got a plane, If you've got a normal glow engine, just do it. It's great fun.
Well, tell you what we'll do. You'll give me some links. I'll put them into the video description for anybody who's interested in having a go at Funfly, like you've just demonstrated with the Limbo. But thanks for the demo, Pete.
No worries.
Absolutely awesome. And look forward to seeing you competing at the Power Nationals.
Yeah, and come and have a go.
Come and have a go.
It's good fun.
Why not? Yeah.
Thank you very much.